For over 95 years, two of the world's strongest metals have been manufactured right here in Lewiston, Maine at Elmet Technologies. Since 1929, Elmet has been working with tungsten and molybdenum, two of the most heat-resistant elements in the world. These two metals may not be something you think about every day. They are connected to parts of your everyday life. From satellites in space and moon-bound rockets to CAT scans, semiconductors, and clean energy, the defense, aerospace, medical, scientific, and industrial marketplace all benefit from the advanced properties of tungsten and molybdenum. In manufacturing these two specialty metals, we are enabling creation of the most technologically advanced products in the world. Examples include balance weights for various aircraft, high-performance wire for aircraft cockpit windshields, protective structures for satellite applications, X-ray filters for CAT scan machines, and a range of components for high-temperature industrial furnaces. While the growing demand for these applications has been a part of Elmet's success, it is truly the people at Elmet that continue to grow and move the company toward its 100th year in business. As Elmet approaches its centenary, we remain committed to our pillars of employee satisfaction, community engagement, and programmatic career development. Whether raising pay scales or offering new incentives for attendance, production, and retention bonuses, Elmet is consistently raising the bar for employment. A new focus on wellness recognition and engagement is now in place. With employees' benefit packages starting day one, we take our employees into the fold the moment they begin their journey with us. Our highly capable team consists of talented individuals with unique backgrounds, all working together to develop new high-tech material solutions. We are regularly adapting to meet the needs of the current workforce and exceed the expectations of our future workforce. Elmet believes deeply in investing in and developing its workforce to help keep U.S. manufacturing jobs secure while providing rewarding jobs to hard-working Mainers. So come join the team that's enabling a better future for Maine and U.S. manufacturing. Are you the missing piece to complete our team? Find out where you fit at Elmet.